Hi everybody. Today we are going to see how to fill hundreds and thousands of pages in a Word within a short span of time. So within 10 seconds I can fill this entire new Word document with words and sentences for thousands of pages. Let us see how to do it. You have to type equal to RAND of 100 comma 100. Close the bracket. You can see this is the command I am going to give, equal to RAND of 100 comma 100. I am pressing enter. After I press enter, you can see how many pages it is going to type. You can see at the lower bottom it has typed over 11,450 pages. You can see if you minimize the font, you can see how it has typed. This is the content it has typed. You can see. So this is the content which Word will automatically type. 11,400 pages within 10 seconds. This you can throw it as a challenge to all your friends so that they can also learn Word in an interesting manner. Thank you.